English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is one of the best parts of traveling.
Yes, today we're talking about asking for local recommendations.
Tourist guides are great, but locals know the real gems.
The best restaurant, the hidden viewpoint, the coolest neighborhood.
Questions like,
Where do locals eat around here?
what's your favorite thing to do in this city?
Is there a hidden gem I shouldn't miss?
Can you recommend a good place for dinner?
After today, you'll be able to ask locals for their best tips.
Let's start with the most important thing.
Be polite and friendly.
Start with a smile and excuse me or hello.
People are much more likely to help if you're nice.
You can say,
Hi, I'm visiting from out of town. Do you have a moment?
excuse me, could you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
Hello, I'm looking for some local recommendations. Can you help?
Repeat. Hi, I'm visiting from out of town. Do you have a moment? Excuse me, could you recommend a good restaurant nearby? Hello, I'm looking for some local recommendations. Can you help?
Now, let's have a conversation about asking locals.
Daniel, do you usually ask locals for recommendations when you travel?
Always. I find the best places that way.
Same. Once in Rome, a barista told me about this tiny pasta place, best meal of the trip.
That's the magic of local knowledge.
Great start. Now let's talk about asking for restaurant recommendations.
Food is usually the top thing people want to know about.
Where's a good place to get authentic local food?
Can you recommend a restaurant that's not too touristy?
What's your favorite cafe around here?
Where would you go for a special dinner?
Is there a good place for street food nearby?
Repeat. Where's a good place to get authentic local food? Can you recommend a restaurant that's not too touristy? What's your favorite cafe around here? Where would you go for a special dinner? Is there a good place for street food nearby?
You might get answers like,
There's a great family-run place 3 blocks down. Best pasta in the city.
for authentic food, go to the market. Lots of local vendors.
My favorite cafe is on the corner. They have amazing pastries. Repeat. There's a great family-run place 3 blocks down. Best pasta in the city. For authentic food, go to the market. Lots of local vendors. My favorite cafe is on the corner. They have amazing pastries.
Let's practice asking for restaurant recommendations.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a good place for dinner. Any recommendations?
Sure. What kind of food do you like?
Something local, not too touristy.
There's a small place called Luigi's on 4th Street. The locals love it.
Perfect. Thank you.
Simple and helpful. Now let's talk about asking for sightseeing recommendations.
Beyond the famous tourist spots, locals know hidden gems.
What are the must-see places that tourists often miss?
Is there a good viewpoint for sunset?
Where do locals go on weekends?
Are there any beautiful parks or gardens nearby?
What's your favorite place to relax in the city?
Repeat. What are the must-see places that tourists often miss? Is there a good viewpoint for sunset? Where do locals go on weekends? Are there any beautiful parks or gardens nearby? What's your favorite place to relax in the city?
Answers might be,
There's a hilltop park with amazing views. Not many tourists know about it.
the old market area is lovely in the evening. Very atmospheric.
We locals love the botanical gardens. Perfect for a picnic. Repeat. There's a hilltop park with amazing views. Not many tourists know about it. The old market area is lovely in the evening. Very atmospheric. We locals love the botanical gardens. Perfect for a picnic.
Let's practice asking for sightseeing tips.
Hi, I'm exploring the city today. Any hidden gems I should check out?
Definitely. Have you been to the old observatory? The view is incredible.
No, I haven't. Where is it?
It's at the top of the hill in the north part of town. Best at sunset.
Sounds perfect. Thank you.
Hidden gems are the best. Now let's talk about asking about transportation.
Getting around like a local saves time and money.
What's the best way to get around the city?
Is the subway easy to use?
Do you recommend buying a transport pass?
How do I get to the beach from here?
Are there bike rentals nearby?
Repeat. What's the best way to get around the city? Is the subway easy to use? Do you recommend buying a transport pass? How do I get to the beach from here? Are there bike rentals nearby?
Locals might say,
The subway is fastest, but buses are nicer to see the city.
definitely get a day pass. It's much cheaper.
You can take the number 5 bus to the beach. It's a 20-minute ride. Repeat. The subway is fastest, but buses are nicer to see the city. Definitely get a day pass. It's much cheaper. You can take the number 5 bus to the beach. It's a 20-minute ride.
Let's practice asking about transportation.
Excuse me, what's the best way to get to the old town?
You can take the tram. It's right around the corner.
Great. Do I need a ticket?
Yes, you can buy one from the machine at the stop.
Thank you.
Very helpful. Now let's talk about asking about shopping.
Locals know the best places to shop.
Where can I find local crafts or souvenirs?
Is there a good market for fresh food?
What's the best shopping street?
Are there any good vintage or second-hand shops?
Where do you buy groceries?
Repeat. Where can I find local crafts or souvenirs? Is there a good market for fresh food? What's the best shopping street? Are there any good vintage or second-hand shops? Where do you buy groceries?
Local tips might be,
The weekend market is the best place for crafts. It's huge.
for fresh food, go to the Central Market, open every day until 6.
Main Street has all the big brands, but the side streets have unique boutiques.
Repeat. The weekend market is the best place for crafts. It's huge. For fresh food, go to the Central Market, open every day until 6. Main Street has all the big brands, but the side streets have unique boutiques.
Let's practice asking about shopping.
I'm looking for unique souvenirs. Any recommendations?
Check out the artisan market on Saturdays. Lots of handmade things.
Perfect. Is it easy to find?
It's in the main square. You can't miss it.
Great tip. Great tip. Now let's talk about asking about events and entertainment.
Sometimes there are local events tourists don't know about.
Are there any festivals or events happening this week?
Is there live music somewhere tonight?
What do locals do for fun on weekends?
Are there any good theaters or cinemas nearby?
Where can I experience local music or dance?
Repeat. Are there any festivals or events happening this week? Is there live music somewhere tonight? What do locals do for fun on weekends? Are there any good theaters or cinemas nearby? Where can I experience local music or dance?
Answers might be,
There's a street festival this Saturday with food and music.
the jazz club downtown has live music every night.
We often go to the park for outdoor concerts in summer.
Repeat. There's a street festival this Saturday with food and music. The jazz club downtown has live music every night. We often go to the park for outdoor concerts in summer.
Let's practice asking about events.
I'm here for the weekend. Anything fun happening?
There's a food festival tomorrow in the park. Lots of local vendors.
That sounds amazing. What time?
Starts at 11 a.m. Go hungry.
Perfect. Perfect. Now let's talk about who to ask for recommendations.
Not everyone is equally helpful.
Good people to ask are
Hotel staff, they're used to helping tourists.
shopkeepers. They know the area well.
People your age, they might have similar interests.
Taxi drivers. They see the city all day.
Baristas and servers, they talk to people all the time.
Repeat. Hotel staff. Shopkeepers. People your age. Taxi drivers. Baristas and servers.
You can approach them with,
Hi, you look like you know the area well. Any recommendations?
I'm a visitor and would love some local tips.
Where would you go if you had one day in the city?
Repeat. Hi, you look like you know the area well. Any recommendations? I'm a visitor and would love some local tips. Where would you go if you had one day in the city?
Let's practice approaching different people.
Hi, I'm looking for a good place for dinner tonight. Any suggestions?
Sure, there's a great Italian place 2 blocks away, or if you want something fancy, I recommend the rooftop restaurant.
The rooftop sounds nice. Is it expensive?
A bit, but the view is worth it.
Hotel staff are gold mines.
Now let's talk about follow-up questions.
After someone gives a recommendation, ask for details.
How do I get there?
Do I need a reservation?
What's the price range?
Is it open on Sundays?
How long should I plan to spend there?
Repeat. How do I get there? Do I need a reservation? What's the price range? Is it open on Sundays? How long should I plan to spend there?
This shows you're really interested and helps you plan.
Let's practice follow-up questions.
You should try the hiking trail near the waterfall.
That sounds great. How do I get there?
Take the number 7 bus to the end of the line. The trail starts there.
How long is the hike?
About 2 hours round trip.
Perfect. Thank you.
Good questions.
Now let's talk about thanking people for recommendations.
Always say thank you. It's polite and encourages them to help others.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate your help.
Thanks for taking the time.
That's so helpful. Thank you.
Repeat. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. Thanks for taking the time. That's so helpful. Thank you.
If you follow their recommendation and love it, you can come back and tell them.
I went to that restaurant you recommended. It was amazing.
Thanks again for the tip about the viewpoint. The sunset was incredible.
I went to that restaurant you recommended. It was amazing. Thanks again for the tip about the viewpoint. The sunset was incredible. People love hearing that their advice was helpful. Let's practice thanking someone.
Here's my card. If you need anything else, just ask.
Thank you so much for all your help. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
Nice exchange. Now, let's learn some important vocabulary for asking for recommendations. This time, we'll put each word in a sentence to help you remember.
Recommendation. That's the suggestion someone gives you. Thank you for the recommendation.
Locals, the people who live there. Ask the locals where to eat.
Touristy means too many tourists. I want to avoid touristy places.
Hidden gem, a special place that's not well known. This cafe is a hidden gem.
Authentic, real and traditional. We want authentic local food.
Must see, something you shouldn't miss. The museum is a must see.
Off the beaten path, away from the usual tourist spots. Let's explore somewhere off the beaten path.
In the know, having special knowledge. Ask the hotel staff, they're in the know.
Insider tip, advice from someone with special knowledge. Here's an insider tip. Go early to avoid crowds.
Local flavor, the authentic character of a place. This market has real local flavor.
Word of mouth, recommendations from people, not advertising. I found this place through word of mouth.
Go-to, your favorite reliable choice. This is my go-to restaurant for special occasions.
Hotspot, a popular busy place. That new bar is a hotspot on weekends.
Undiscovered, not yet found by most tourists. This beach is still undiscovered.
Vibe, the atmosphere or feeling. I love the vibe of this neighborhood.
Great vocabulary. These words will help you ask and understand recommendations. Now, let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. What is your recommend?
Correct. What is your recommendation, or what do you recommend?
Mistake number 2. Can you suggest me a restaurant?
Correct. Can you suggest a restaurant to me, or can you recommend a restaurant to me?
Mistake number 3. Where is good place to eat?
Correct. Where's a good place to eat?
Mistake number 4. I want go somewhere locals go.
Correct. I want to go somewhere the locals go. Let's practice.
What do you recommend around here?
Can you suggest a good restaurant?
Where's a good place to eat?
I want to go where the locals go. Perfect. Now, here are some idioms about recommendations and advice.
To give you the inside scoop, to share special or secret information. Let me give you the inside scoop on the best beach.
To be in the loop, To have special knowledge, ask the guide. She's in the loop about upcoming events.
To tip someone off, to give someone a secret piece of information. A local tipped me off on this hidden viewpoint.
To know the ropes, to know how things work. He's lived here for years. He knows the ropes.
To put someone onto something, to introduce someone to something good. My friend put me onto this amazing cafe.
Repeat. Inside scoop. In the loop. Tip someone off. Know the ropes. Put someone onto something.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned how to ask for restaurant recommendations.
Where do locals eat?
We learned how to ask for sightseeing tips.
What are the hidden gems?
We learned about transportation.
What's the best way to get around?
We learned about shopping.
Where can I find local crafts?
We learned about events.
Is there anything fun happening?
We learned who to ask.
Hotel staff, shopkeepers, taxi drivers.
We learned follow-up questions.
How do I get there? Do I need a reservation?
We learned to say thank you.
Thank you so much for your help.
We learned important vocabulary with example sentences.
Hidden gem, authentic, off the beaten path.
We fixed common mistakes.
And we learned some idioms.
That's everything you need for asking for local recommendations. Here's your challenge for today.
Next time you're in a new place, even a new coffee shop, ask someone for a recommendation.
What's good here? Or what do you recommend?
Practice being friendly and curious.
You'll be surprised how often people love to help.
Now go to the comments.
Tell us about a great local recommendation you received while traveling.
What did someone suggest? Was it good?
For example, a local in Rome told me about a tiny pasta place, best carbonara of my life.
That's the dream.
Or a hotel concierge recommended a hidden viewpoint. The sunset was unforgettable.
Those are the best memories.
Share your stories with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.